today's vlog, I call this as a tutorial vlog, how to do the push-up and 30-meter sprint and many more. So let's get started in 3, 2, 1. Cardiovascular endurance. It is the ability of heart, lungs, and blood vessels to deliver oxygen to working muscles and tissue, as well as the ability of those muscles and tissue to utilize the oxygen. Example of cardiovascular endurance is the 3-minute step test. The equipment being used is the step height of step 12 inches and the stopwatch. For the tester, stand at least 1 foot away from the step or bench with trunk erect and eyes look straight ahead. The first step of the sequence should be alternate. At the signal go, step up and down, step, bench for 3 minutes at a rate of 96 beats per minute. One step consists of 4 beats. Up with the left foot, up with the right foot, down with the left foot, and down with the right foot for the first sequence. Then up with the right foot, up with the left foot, then down with the right foot, down with the left foot for the second sequence. Inhale through the nose, exhale through the mouth. Immediately after the exercise, stand and locate your pulse, and in 5 seconds or a signal start to get your heart rate. Don't talk while taking the pulse rate. Count the pulse beat for 10 seconds and multiply it by 6. So what is flexibility? Flexibility is the ability of joints and muscles to move through its full range of motion. So in this flexibility test, we have the zipper test. So what is the purpose of zipper test? So the purpose of zipper test is to test the flexibility of the shoulder and grip. For the procedure, stand erect, raise your right arm, bend your elbow, and reach your back as far as possible. To test your right shoulder, extend your left arm down and behind your back, bend your elbow up across your back, and try to reach across your fingers over those of your right hand as if to pull a zipper or to scratch between the shoulder blades. To test the left shoulder, repeat the procedures A and B with the left hand over the shoulder. Extend your left arm down and behind your back, bend your elbow up across your back, and try to reach across your fingers over those of your right hand as if to pull a zipper or scratch between the shoulder blades. For the partner, observe whether the finger touch or overlap each other. If not, measure the gap between the middle finger of both hands. Record the distance in centimeter. Agility. Agility is the ability to move in different directions quickly using a combination of balance, coordination, speed, strength, and endurance. Hexagon agility test is to measure the ability of the body to move in different directions quickly. The equipment is tape measure, stopwatch, chalk, or masking tape. For the procedure, stand both feet together inside the hexagon facing the mark side. At the signal go, using the ball of the feet with arms bent in front, jump clockwise over the line and then back over the same line inside the hexagon. Repeat the test counterclockwise.
Relax mo yan. Bala ka ganag.
Reaction time. The amount of time it takes to respond to a stimuli. The stick drop test. So the purpose of stick drop test is to measure the time to respond to a stimuli. So the equipment we're going to use is the 12-meter ruler, the chair, and the table. For the procedure, sit on the armchair or chair next to the table so that the elbow and the lower rest on the desk table comfortably. Place the heel of the hand on the desk or table so that the fingers and thumb extend beyond. Fingers and thumb should at least be 1 inch apart. Catch the ruler stick with the thumb and index finger with lifting the elbow from the desk table as the partner drops the stick. Hold the stick while the partner reads the measurement. Coordination. Coordination is the ability to use the senses with the body parts to perform motor tasks smoothly and accurately. We have the juggling. The purpose of this is to measure the coordination of the eye and the hand. Equipment is SIPA, washer weighing 4 grams with 5-inch throw or 20 pieces bundled rubber bands and any similar materials weighing 4 grams. For the tester, heat the SIPA or rubber bands or similar local material alternately with the right and left palm upward. The height of the material being tossed should be at least above the head. Balance. Balance is the maintenance of equilibrium while stationary or while moving. So we have the stork balance stand test. So the purpose of this is to assess one's ability to maintain equilibrium. Equipment we're going to use is the flat or the non-slip surface and the stopwatch. For the procedure, remove the shoes and place hand on the hips. Position the right foot on the side of the knee of the left foot. Raise the heel to balance on the ball of the foot. Muscular strength. Muscular strength is the ability of muscles to generate force against physical objects. So we have push-up. So the purpose of push-up is to measure strength of the upper extremities. So the equipment we are going to use is the exercise mat. For the procedure, lie down on the mat, face down in standard push-up position, palms on the mat about shoulder width, fingers pointing forward, and legs straight, parallel, and slightly apart with the toes. For female, with knees in contact with the floor, straightens the arms, keeping the back straight, then lower the arms until there is a 90-degree angle. Perform as many repetitions as possible, maintaining a cadence of 20 push-ups per minute, 2 seconds going down and 1 second going up. A maximum of 50 push-ups for boys and 25 push-ups for girls. Next, we have the planking. The plank is an excellent abdominal and core exercise. For the first procedure, place your forearms on the floor, elbow aligned with your shoulders, and arms about shoulder width apart and parallel to your body. Second procedure, ground your toes into the floor and glutes firmly press to hold steady your body. Your legs should be working too. Be careful not to lock your knees. Third, neutralize your neck and spine by observing the spot on the floor. 4. Maintain your position for at least 20 seconds. Maintain your plank for as long as manageable without compromising your form or breath. So next, we have power. So power is the ability of muscles to transfer energy and release maximum force in a fast rate. So the purpose of standing long jump is to measure the explosive strength and power of the leg and muscles. So the equipment we're going to use is the tape measure. For the procedure, stand behind the take-off line with feet parallel to each other. The tips of the shoe should not go beyond the line. Bend knees and swing arms backward once, then swing arms forward as you jump, landing on both feet. Try to jump as far as you can. Do not control the momentum of the jump. D. Must land on both feet. Skill-related fitness, we have this speed. Speed is the ability to perform a movement in one direction in the shortest period of time. So we have the 40-meter sprint. So the purpose of this is to measure running speed. So the equipment we're going to use is stopwatch, running area with known measurement 40 meters. For the procedure, at the signal ready, stand behind the takeoff line. The tips of the shoe should not go beyond the line and assumes the crotch position. At the signal get set, assume as an uncrotch position. Buttocks up with both hands on the starting line. At the signal go, run to the finish line as fast as you can.